Bulls are trying to keep it above that 47.5 on the S&P. Nice secondary bounce off of that blue zone too at 46.5. There's a bit of a volume dip at 45.25 and then a re-increase at 44.75. There's still 4 minutes left. I'm kind of curious if we'd be able to grab a quick little scalp off that 44.475. Three minutes, 50 seconds left, getting a lot of volatility. See if you can get that little dip down there. Did that come like one tick away, really? Really? Wow. What? Okay, no, that's fine. Oof. Here we go, swerving again. All right, well, they filled that volume in, and now I don't have a reason to defend there. So missed it by a tick on the S&P. Sellers still continuing to the downside. So far, bar 2 has been an inside bear bar. The current 60-minute candle is getting pretty extensive. Okay, here we go. Nice little springboard back up. Inside bar 2 so far, 15 seconds left. Ugh.
What is your AFP coming from France saying that there was
Possibility of the Bulls losing their grip from 37.75 to 42.75 for a quick pulse underneath the base. We're still in the lower edges of support, but a correction phase back up, retesting this 47.50 and pushing back down again would be really, really nice. That adds a lot of excess confirmation. So the potential for the S&P to try to rotate back down again for a quick little scalp at the very least, especially with the reconfirmation on that POC, looks kind of nice. Plus, the scalper's target is inside the low of day, which makes it even nicer. We'll see if they can actually snap down to that point or not. Oops. Can't quite see it there like that. There we go. 43.75 swept in for the point. Tested the target, but I didn't get a fill. And target filled. Beautiful sweep. Absolutely gorgeous. Quick little sweep back to the downside. Again, the idea, the mentality here is that the Bulls tried getting something going in support and they've got some butterfingers. They lost their grip. When they lose their grip, I know that bear bar looks like trash, but the reason why I like it is the psychological underpinning that the Bulls lost their grip and support should have held it. I mean, think of how disappointed the bulls are when you open in support, bounce beautifully, and then right in the last 15 seconds or so of the candle, it closes down looking like this. Bar two, maybe they can get it back. Nope, inside bear bar. So remember, big caveat here, we waited for the mark to go up, confirm the POC to show that they're exiting at break even, and then cycle down. That's where the sellers can sweep it. Very nice move.